where I live, we only get sun like 3 months out of the year, so sunscreen isn't like something I think about. I just kind of use whatever most of the time, but we're going to Thailand next month, and I refuse to burn like a crispy little white girl. Okay? I'm just not doing it. I'm not ruining my skin for a vacation. Sorry. So I've been trying sunscreens, and I've landed on this one for my body sunscreen. It comes in a glass bottle, which is a little worrisome while traveling, but maybe I'll just bubble wrap it or something because I really want to use this one. It's SPF 30. I wish it was a little higher, but let me show you the texture. This is why I chose this one. First off, it's like pinky, which is cute. It's pink. You can't see on camera, can you? It's pink for like 2 seconds. But anyways, you rub it in, and I like that it's not leaving like a really strong cast, you know, and it's easy to rub in. 2 seconds. And it smells like how exactly dead on what coconut water smells like. It doesn't smell like coconut. It smells like coconut water. Yeah, it smells really good. And the smell only lasts for like 30 seconds, and then it's gone, and you forget you're wearing sunscreen. But I'm going to be toting this thing around with me, and I'll show you guys it in Thailand, and we'll see if it works against those crazy UV. But I've loved this one so far. I'm not burning. I refuse to freaking burn there. Hit the link if you also are into sunscreen and you're weird like me and are very specific.